Are you happy with your Monzo account, but constantly wondering if you're missing out on the next level? Monzo has made waves with its smart, simple banking, but once you start seeing those upgrade options, extra, perks, and max, it can get confusing. Do you stick with the free account, or is it time to unlock a new tier of banking benefits? Today, we're cutting through the noise to compare Monzo's core paid plans, extra, perks, and max. We'll look at the features, the price, and who each plan is really for, so you can decide if an upgrade is worth your money. First off, let's quickly look at the foundational free account. This gives you the award-winning Monzo app, instant notifications, spending categories, savings pots, and fee-free cash withdrawals of up to £200 a month abroad. For most people, this is a great everyday current account. Now, for the upgrades. The first step up is the extra plan. For a small monthly fee, this focuses entirely on supercharging your budgeting. You get advanced tools like connected banks to see your finances in one place, virtual cards for better security and budgeting, and a custom auto spreadsheet export. If you're a serious budgeter who wants granular control and is tired of juggling multiple apps, Extra is the sweet spot. Next, we have perks. This is where things get interesting because you start adding real, tangible lifestyle benefits. You get everything from Extra, but the big wins here are the included perks. Think of things like an annual rail card, a weekly Greg's treat, a monthly cinema ticket, and an annual Uber One membership. Crucially, the fee-free cash withdrawal limit abroad also jumps up significantly. If you're a regular traveler, a frequent train user, or you just know you'll use those lifestyle discounts, perks can easily pay for itself. Finally, we arrive at Max. This is Monzo's top-tier, all-inclusive package. It contains everything in Extra and perks, but the main reason you pay for Max is the comprehensive insurance suite. This account wraps up worldwide travel insurance, worldwide phone insurance, and UK and Europe breakdown cover. If you already pay for these separately, Max, despite its higher cost, could consolidate and potentially save you money, especially if you value the higher savings rate and other perks benefits that come included. So, how do you choose? If you just need a great everyday bank with powerful in-app tools, free is probably all you need. If you are a financial geek and want maximum control over your budgeting and spending, Extra is your go-to. If you travel a bit, use the rail network, and will take advantage of the discounts like Greg's and Uber One, Perks offers great value. And if you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one package that includes comprehensive insurance for travel, your phone, and your car, then Max is the clear winner. Just make sure to check the terms and conditions on the insurance to ensure the cover meets your specific needs. Ultimately, the best Monzo account is the one that fits your lifestyle and financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.